on the dash. We got battery. Pick your poison.
Today we're gonna be seeing how durable my. We're gonna be testing to see how durable my new Town and Country is.
Check the damage. To assess the damage.
Ooh. Sadly, we did scratch the paint. Might devalue the car just a little bit. So we're gonna just. This door might need to be replaced.
How you feeling about that door handle, D?
You know, it's been really pissing me off lately. I don't know why. I'll just take it off.
There you go. Yep. Yep. Perfect.
I missed.
There you go. That fixed it.
Well, now we can't open that door anymore, which is good.
It's always opening and shit.
It had some safety
It
features.
was stupid anyway.
You know, my biggest complaint with this car was there is no sunroof. So we're gonna DIY that. There you go.
Custom sunroof jobs.
Hit me up whenever you need them.
Oh!
Well, that solved that. Shit. Guess no more window.
Do some damage, EB. So in short term, don't buy a Chrysler 300 or whatever the fuck this is.
I'd say they're pretty secure. I think we found a fault piece in that window. They're not supposed to be doing that. It's kind of like the Elon Musk Cybertruck video. They're still bulletproof. My favorite part about this, look how much travel you can get. These things are perfect for the mountain. Like, it is crawling like a dream right now.
Oh yeah. Seriously, we got her flexed out.
Wow.
What are you doing?
It doesn't have power doors to close by itself. Shut up! Yeah, so I just deleted the other window.
Where's this one?
Oh, it's in there.
Oh yeah.
It's
Did the wiring job.
Oh, bro, it's gone.
So far, so good. This thing really handles anything you can take.
The lights are, look at the lights. Record that, do that again.
Oh, wait, that's funny. No way.
Wow. That is a big drive.
Oh, no. Oh, hell no.
So when I bought this beauty for $6,324, he said the payload was way higher than his Ford Ranger. So I didn't believe him because those things can really haul shit. So I have this rock over here. We're gonna see if we can pick that up and put it in there. Let's see if we can pick it up. You got it.
There's no way. Oh, hell no. No, 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 no. Oh, bro. No, 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 no. 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 Oh, the truck, bro.
Thanks, we'll see ya.
Well, it closed itself.
It's broken. Oh.
I couldn't fit all the rocks in there, so I think maybe we'll load it up tomorrow.
I think this will cover me for what I got for today, but I'm definitely gonna have to come back and pick up the big one.
I mean, clearly she's handling it well.
Oh yeah, no, she handles the load fine, just fine, but it's more the store that's the fucking problem, you know.
Yeah, you might need to get that one fixed. Just careful on the way home.
For sure.
It's gonna get pretty cold, so keep your windows up.
What was that?
Hey, you got a golf club hanging out. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, I was golfing last weekend. Ah, man, we gotta drop this load off, man. So, well, just probably go and drive. We got rocks behind us.
Yeah.
Dude, like a champ. Are you kidding?
Dude, you don't even put it in low. Like, this thing it's got so much juice.
And you know what? It's turning a lot better. We lost the power steering, but now we got some weight in the back.
Go ahead.
It turns like... Oh, we saved her. We saved her. Woo! Call today for your local material deliveries. keep alive on the gas, but it's perfect for these drop-offs that we're doing.
Oh, we like to run her on empty. It keeps the load a little lighter.
Right, and we stay on the cheap side of business.
We can really maximize. Yeah, we're good. Let's see what they can do.
Oh yeah.
A little juice to her. Oh, yeah.
Perfect. Didn't even touch the frame on that one.
You know, this guy was right. This thing does have some crazy payload.
Oh, yeah.
Woo.
That's how I'm pulling up to the job site. I don't know about you guys.
You guys need material?
Was it you guys that needed 6-inch rods or no? Oh, okay.
Come on.
Just a little too far.
I missed it.
You just went a little too far. It's okay. You got the skid steer right there.
What happened? You know where that smoke came from?
No
Said it
idea.
was burning a little coolant. Might have to add some after that.
Maybe some oil too, eh?
Who put that rock there?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, back out. You're not yet. You're close. Yeah. There you go.
Yep.
Oh, what the fuck is this bullshit?
They don't give you a
That's a good whip, dude.
Are you not able to just dump it?
Yeah, I don't know. The cylinder must have went out or something.
Oh yeah.
Good one.
Nice. Well, it's a pleasure doing business with you.
No problem.
Have a good day, man. See you tomorrow. Another
too.
load.
You too.
You too.
Okay, bro, you don't gotta worry about it.
Oh, I insist, man. Hey, you did a good review.
Hey, put me down! I gotta take this Coors head off.
So for the finale, we're gonna see how this thing can fly. It's got Fox shocks in the front. It's still stock on the leaf springs in the back, and it's got 645 horsepower. And we're gonna see how much of that we can get in the air. Yeah, boy! Yeah! Woo! Oh, keys are in my pocket. The front suspension is rock solid. The back, no. Dude, we almost greased it. We almost cleared it. Let's go! that second tabletop and get some angles. Oh. Go for it.
He's doubling. Hang on, let it sit, let it sit. Let the battery charge.
Line up, let's go. We're doing this shit. We don't got much daylight left. This thing's going 100 feet in the air. Maybe not 100 feet, but it's going almost half that. So we're gonna do it. I know it's not cool, but we're gonna do it. Let's go. Let's go. That's it.
Did that thing just die though?
Come here, look at this.
The thing just died. Oh, I see.
Yeah, dude, this plastic just smoked my leg. Oh, jeez, that kind of hurt.
This airbag, where did you guys put that? In the back?
This is right there.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, the impact is fucking insane that you take, bro.
If we greased it, it would have been good, but we didn't.
Yeah.
Oh.
Buy yourselves a town and country.
They
That's
don't
what
make
I'm
them
saying.
like they used to.
Yeah, are you kidding me, dude? We just, what did we, that's like a, what, how big is that? 80 feet?
It's 50.
5-foot cable. And she's made.
Well, that's a wrap. I guess she isn't done. The only thing done about her is the battery.